Good afternoon, children. The last class we saw the 3 questions in exercise 1.1. So using this formula, this 3 formula is very important in our first exercise. So rank of A not equal to rank of A comma B, inconsistent and has no solution. Rank of A equal to rank of A comma B equal to n, number of unknowns, consistent and has unique solution. So unique solution meaning the number of unknowns denoted by x, y, z. So 3, number value 3. So unique solution meaning x, y and z having only one solution. Rank of A equal to rank of A comma B less than n, consistent and has infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution meaning x, y and z having many solution. Infinitely many solution. Okay, so these 3 condition is very important. So using these conditions we solve the first exercise. So the fourth question, show that the equations 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 4. So second and third are consistent. So surely the given equation are consistent. So the already we know the 3 conditions. The first one inconsistent, the second and third consistent. So, and solve meaning we find the x, y and z value. X, y and z value. So the first part, the first step, solution. First of all we write Ax equal to B form. So A is 3 by 3 matrix. So coefficient of x, y and z values. So A, x, capital X equal to small x, y, z. B equal to constant. So the row elementary operations, we use row elementary operations on augment matrix. So A comma B is a augment matrix. So this is A value, this is B value. So we should change this augment matrix into echelon form. So echelon form, the first place value 1, the second place 0, the third place the first column and the second column value is 0, 0. So if we form a triangular form, this another name is triangular form. So this is echelon form. We should change like this the given question. So the 5, if we divided by 5, we get this place is 1. So 1, 5 divided by 1, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5. The row 2 and row 3 write the same values down here, right down here. So the next matrix, so this place 1 to 0, the second place and the third place, third row first, second row first place, third row first place 1 to 0. So here 1 is here. Why we change this place 1? Here 3. If we multiply by 3 in R1, this place become 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. So see the condition here. I write the condition here. R2 which implies R2 minus 3 R1. After which implies R2 and R3 denoted by the previous matrix. The R2, this the before which implies simple the R2 and R3 denoted by the present matrix. Okay. So R2 value 3, 26, 2, 9, 3, 26, 2, 9, minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 are minus 3, minus 3 into 3 are minus 9 by 5, minus 3 into minus 7 are minus 21 by 5, minus 3 into 4, minus 12 by 5. If we add these 2 rows, 0, this one 26 minus 9 by 5, 5 into 26, 130 minus 9, 121 by 5, this one minus 11 by 5, this one 33 by 5. So like this, the row 3 values, here 7, this place 1. If we multiply by 7 in R1, then subtracted R2, R1, R3 minus R1, we get this place 0. See the conditions. I solve this place 7, row 3 value 7, 2, 10, 5, 7, 2, 10, 5, minus 7 R1, minus 7 into 1 are minus 7, minus 7 into 3 are minus 21 by 5. minus 21 by 5. Like this third and fourth value, if we subtracted this place, we get this answer. Okay, we get 0, minus 11 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5. So according the echelon form, we want this place also 0. So here minus 11, this place 121. If we multiplied by 11 this place, we get minus 21. Then we add R2 and R3, we get this place 0. So see the conditions here. 11 R3, so R3 0. 11 into 11 are minus 21 by 5. 11 into 1 are 11 by 5. 11 into 3 are minus 33 by 5. R2 value, so R2 value 0, 121 by 5, minus 11 by 5, 33 by 5. If you add these two rows, we get 0, 0, 0. So finally we get these three places become 0. So this is triangular form. It is called echelon form. So here want to rank. So this A denoted by 3 by 3 matrix from the question. So here also we consider first 3 by 3 matrix. So this rank is the row 1 value, the row values fully is here. So that is denoted by 1. Row 2 is fully here, not fully. If any value is there, that value is 1. But the row 3 value fully 0, so that is 0. So row A value is 2. Then rank A value is 2. So rank of A comma B. So this is denoted by A comma B. So this matrix 3 by 4, matrix order 3 by 4. So here also we consider fully. So rank of A comma B value also 2, because the row 1 value is here 1, the row 2 value is here, the row 3 no value is here, that is 0. So 1 plus 1 2. So the rank A2, rank of A comma B 2 is denoted the second one, not third one, because unknown value is 3, n value is 3, but rank value 2, so less than n, so number of unknowns. So this answer is consistent. It has infinitely many solution. Then next step, we can substitute x, y, z here. So many solution meaning x, y, z having many solution. So here see the last step, echelon form step. X, y, z, substitute x, 1x, 3 by 5 y, 7 by 5 z equal to 4 by 5. Form a equation from the echelon form. The second row, this place 0x, so don't write here, but this one 121y minus 11 by 5 z equal to 33 by 5. But the row 3 fully 0, but our unknown value is 3, but we have only 2 equation. The 3 equation fully 0. So we take let z equal to k. What is k? The k is a real number values. K belongs to R. This is very important step. So the public correction, this place having 1 mark. Okay, so the substitute this place, want y and x value only, z value already we consider z equal to k. So this one, take this one, 121 by 5y minus 11 by 5k equal to 33 by 5. So this left hand side, take LCM, 5 is a LCM. So write one time. The both sides, the denominator part is the same, so cancel that number 5. So want y, so this minus 11 goes to right hand side, plus 11. So take outside 3, 11. The remainder value 3 plus k. This 121 comes to right hand side, become denominator part. If you cancel this one, y equal to 1 by 11, 3 plus k. So z and y value we have. The next find x. So using the first equation. Okay, using the first equation, x plus 3 by y plus 7 by 5 z equal to 4 by 5. X want here x only, so we keep it in a y and z value right hand side. So this is plus goes to right hand side, become minus. So here also 5 is a denominator is same, so denominator same value, so write one time. So 4 minus 3 y value already we found. So substitute the value y and z. So if we simplify this place, we get x equal to 1 by 11 7 minus 16k. So solution set is x y z 1 by 11 7 minus 16k 1 by 11 3 plus k k. Thank you student.